And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm feeling much happier today than I was in my last video. Here it is. You probably can't see too well on the screen there, but the carbide face of the micrometer head and the very tip of this high-speed steel tool that I custom ground so it would work. Now I guess I don't get to remanufacture those hinge blocks. Darn! Anyway, you can see that the tool is here, the micrometer head. Now, you have to remember, each thousandth of an inch here is 2/1000ths of an inch in your cut. Okay? So, thinking about creeping up on your dimension is a good idea using this method to set your tool. Anyway, so, say I want to cut a 1/2 inch hemispherical depression. S-O-C-K-E-T, socket is the proper word. I crank this baby out. To 125 on the micrometer head. Gently loosen these, kiss it to the carbide face, gronk down, and you can take this out, put it in the hinge blocks, and machine away. What did I make? I made this block of aluminum so it would fit this micrometer head and clamp onto here so I could precision adjust the position of this tool so I could predict whether I'm turning a ball or a socket. I could predict what size it's going to be if things are all right, if everything's level, plumb, you know. So, this is hashtag Shop Made Tools 2 from me. Yeah, 2. I'm happy with it. It finally came out. You know what I mean? I finally pulled this one out of the fire. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Now, I have some stuff to do. I have to reassemble my milling machine. I'm going to be mounting it on my horizontal milling conversion plate, and I will be using both my plain milling column and my 8 axes, or is it 6 axes? Anyway, that shear line sort of copy of a Bridgeport head. You know, it nods two directions and goes like this. And anyway, I'm going to be using both heads, or should I say both columns, selectively. I got two of those headstock riser blocks. I'm going to drill and tap them. They get bolted to the table in the proper orientation, so that one here I got horizontal, and over here I've got, shooting down the length of the table, horizontal boring mill. Yeah. Well, one end of horizontal boring mill. Got to think about the tailstock end for a bit. Anyway, that is it. That's Shopmade Tools number 2. I don't care what anyone tells you. Keep on wearing a mask. Start wearing gloves. Because there are other diseases. You like the flu? Well, that still transmits by people coughing and sneezing and touching things that you come along and touch. So, stay safe. The life you save may be yours. I know I'm protecting mine. Good night from California.